Since I couldn't find anyone else that knows how to play this on YouTube, because I am buns at it, I'm teaching you how to play My Songbird. I'm not teaching you. So, for me, the weirdest chord, this is what my, get out of here notifications. This is what my fingers look like. And it goes like, come on. How's it go? It's really hard to play because the tab. Okay, I'm at 8%. I'm good. The tab. Okay, so the tab shows. Don't mind the 7th string. That's, we don't mind that. So on the tab it shows 7th fret on the 2nd string, and I'm like, okay. And it's 4 and 5. And I'm okay. And I'm like, 3? How do I get to 3? And I'm like, oh no. I mean, I can probably do it in one take. I can probably just like go like, I can probably just play it. But, like, getting back to the chord position is killing me. This is torture. Also, this is My Songbird by SUKKUBYS. I think it's SUKKUBYS. But Alexa's weird when I asked her to play it. And, dude, it hurts. Just my pinky. Bar chording is so easy. But, like, the second part has, one of the parts has 2 in it. So, like, you could just go like this. But then, you can't take the bar chord off mid-song, or the capo mid-song, and then it goes like, that's easy. I think it's just easier to do the really annoying chord shape. Hurts my pinky. I guess that's how you play it. You guys saw my fingers, so. First person to do it. Wait. No, I just looked it up on my laptop. Okay. And then it goes. So then it goes like. I don't know why it has distortion on it, but that's not how it is in the actual song. It's very, really good song. What am I doing? That's not the point. That's not the video. And then, if you guys hear an 8-bit beat in the background, I have Fortnite on. And then, Also, guys, state test candy still hitting hard. Let me just be a fatty. Jay Kelly will know what this is. That's his channel. You guys should check him out. I'm not getting any interaction on this channel, so I don't know who I'm saying you guys to. Thanksgiving 2022 leftovers are still hitting hard. My gosh. What happened to this poor Tootsie Roll? Probably in my backpack. Oh my gosh. I found a new point to this video, guys. Okay. I guess I'll be like an actual guitar teacher. Alright, so you're gonna want to grab your pinky finger, put it on the 7th fret of the second string. The second to lowest string. Then grab your ring finger, put it on the 5th fret of the string above that one. What is this finger? I think middle finger. Yeah, on the 4th fret above that string. And then grab your pointer finger and put it on the 1st, on the 3rd, the same string as your pinky finger, and go. And then go. Like. And then take the pinky off. Move your finger down 1 fret with your pointer finger. And then take this finger, 5th, 4th, 2nd. Alright, that's it. I'm done teaching you. I don't know how to teach. And then I gotta teach you guys how to make Bobby. Oh wait, should I? It's very sacred art. Also, I'm growing algae in my room in a cup. Why not? What else have I learned? Also, I am just learning this just now, so like, don't judge. Oh yeah. I'm also learning. That's not the point of the video. Alright, try and do a good take of it. Right here, right now. No. Great take, in my opinion. Okay. Also learning Blood, Fire, Death by Bathory. And yes, I use a cape because I'm a loser. Not the point of the video. Part of the video is My Songbird. I'm getting off track. No, my pinky finger. Yo, cinema? Wait, what am I doing? Okay. We need to quit. We need to walk in. No crashing out. No. Okay, boom. Ow, ow, ow. I get my phones at 5%, okay? And don't judge me for being buns at this. I decided to learn it like 10 or 20 minutes ago. I don't know how long. Oh my gosh. Pretty good run, if I do say so myself. Because, it's supposed to... Also, guys, you know, just shout out, Zagan. I'm pretty sure his name is Zagan Devereaux. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm gonna do that right now. Fine. Fine, Google Translate. I see how it is.
Zagan Devereaux.
What?
Zagan Devereaux.
Zagan Devereaux. Are we serious? His name is Zagan. I know that. It's like on there. Zagan Devereaux. There's no way it's Zagan. There's no way. I'm not accepting defeat. Zagan, meh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna pronounce Zagan Devereaux because it's an X at the end. Who pronounces who pronounces Devereaux? Devereaux. If it actually is, cool. I guess I'm wrong. But Devereaux sounds cooler. Don't come after me. Do not come after me. I think SUKKUBYS. I think SUKKUBYS is a great band. I think that's like the perfect tone. Hold up. Oh, I'm at 5%. I'm good. We ball. I literally think that's the tone. There's no way. Either I'm gaslighting myself or that's the tone. Yo, Spotify. Thank you. No. I don't know if you guys can hear this. You know, I'm gonna say it's pretty close. Wait a minute. No, I would say that's pretty close. That's loud. You know, I'm gonna try and speedrun Adam's song really quick. It's a good song. By Blink-182. Adam's song. Oh, that's... Is that easy? Oh, that's fine. Okay. Well, you know what that sounds like? My favorite thing to do is kick up like songs. I don't know if it's an octave or like it's just 10 frets up, but like so it's like Sanitarium verse like it's 0 2 4. I kick it up, so it's on the 10th fret with my capo because I can't go like I can't do that. But anyways, I do that, and it's like I kick it up like 10 frets and it sounds pretty good. It's in like almost any song, like. Even works on the Call of Cthulhu. Whoa. Sounds pretty good in my opinion. What's my percent at? 4. Alright, we're good. Hold up. Okay. I see you. I like that. I learned Sweet Amber by Metallica. No, I didn't. That's the best I've got out of that, and I learned one of my favorite songs by Moonspell. Don't kill my eardrums. Oh, that was horrible. Hold up. I forgot how that goes. Still locking up. Uh-oh, 22 minutes? What have I been doing?